We are pushing our planet to its brink. Intense heatwaves, abnormally extended droughts, deadly forest fires, and monstrous hurricanes across the world are only getting worse. According to the report published in Nature, hurricanes forming over the Atlantic Ocean are now taking longer duration than they used to take 50 years ago to lose their intensity after the landfall. Take a look at the very recent one, Hurricane Ida, a Category 4 destructive cyclops monster that made landfall on Sunday with wind speeds of 172 miles per hour wreaked havoc along its path. Hurricane Ida is the fifth strongest to ever hit the U.S. mainland, submerging towns, cities, and subways costing billions of dollars in loss. AccuWeather estimates Hurricane Ida's economic impact reaching $95 billion, making it seventh costliest hurricane in modern recording. Some of the eldest residents in Louisiana stated that this was the most devastating hurricane they ever witnessed in their lives. Scientists stated that more intense hurricanes are more likely to make landfall. Based on the data gathered of the hurricanes forming over the North Atlantic Ocean for the last 50 years, the rise in ocean water's temperatures is powering these deadly storms, making them stay fully fledged for a long time even after the landfall, increasing their destructive power furthermore. Hurricanes of the Atlantic Ocean will gain even more intensity, the researchers exclaimed their fear of the worsening future. Normally, once a hurricane touches the land, it starts losing its intensity and dissipates in a short period, but due to the rise in global temperatures, these cyclops monsters absorb more and more moisture from the atmosphere, making them stronger and take a longer duration to lose their strength and dissipate. The relief is coming later than it once did, said physicist Lin Lee from the Okinawa Institute of Science and Technology in Japan. Hurricanes' immense moisture absorption due to more heat leads to dumping massive amounts of rain upon touching the land as they move slowly, which in turn amplifies the collateral damage, mostly in the coastal cities. Scientists have studied the initial 24 hours of hurricanes after the landfall since the 1960s. Based on their gathered data, a typical cyclone lost its strength by 76% within the first 24 hours of its landfall 50 years ago. But now the storms are only losing about 50% of their strength on the first day of landfall, making them travel further inland before dissipating. This is because the intense gusts of hurricanes are propelled by its moisture content and heat absorbed from the warm oceans. The warmer the air it absorbs, the more moisture it sucks in, leading to heavier rainfall and intense gusts. If the same heating trend continues, there will be much worse consequences to face.